Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in YouTube Studio using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the search bar. This is where you'll navigate to YouTube Studio directly. In that search bar, type in studio.youtube.com and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you straight to the YouTube Studio platform, bypassing the regular YouTube homepage and getting you directly into the Creator dashboard. Once the YouTube Studio page loads, you'll want to look at the upper right corner of your screen. This is where your account information is displayed. You'll notice your profile icon sitting there, which represents your currently active YouTube account. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This action will open up a drop-down menu that contains several account-related options and settings, giving you access to manage which account you're working with. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Switch Account and click on it. This is the key feature that allows you to move between different YouTube channels without having to log out and log back in repeatedly. It's particularly useful if you manage multiple channels or have both a personal and a business account that you switch between regularly. After clicking Switch Account, you'll be presented with a list of all the Google accounts that are currently signed in on your browser. Each account will display with its associated profile picture and name, making it easy to identify which one you want to work with. Simply click on the profile of the account you want to switch to. The system will immediately redirect you to YouTube Studio under that selected account, updating the dashboard to show the analytics, videos, and settings for that specific channel. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a different account in YouTube Studio, allowing you to manage content across multiple channels efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.